Welcome to our video on how to study the datasheet of a microcontroller. Let's dive in. First, start at the beginning. Read the preamble to understand the overall architecture and philosophies of the microcontroller. This will give you a solid foundation. Next, tailor your approach based on your role. Are you a designer, maintainer, or programmer? Different parts of the datasheet are geared toward different users. For programmers, it's helpful to use the same abbreviations for register names and bit names as in the datasheet. Remember, datasheets are often used as reference documents rather than detailed manuals. This means you might need to research many concepts and features of a component outside the datasheet, for example, by doing a hands-on lab evaluation. When reading a datasheet, look for answers to key questions like: how many port pins are there that can be used for digital I/O? What voltage levels and operating frequencies does the device support? Highlight of the day: what are the alternate functions of port pins, such as using a pin as ADC or DAC? Drop your answers in the comments. How much memory does the device have, and how is it organized? By focusing on these aspects, you'll be able to effectively study and utilize the datasheet of a microcontroller. Happy learning!